Well, it's finally time to get started on the new engine again. I'm going to be going with a 50 millimeter bore, 50 millimeter stroke on a flathead engine now. Got all of everything ready, and I'm about to cut a 3-inch hole using a Morse hole saw, MK Morse hole saw, 3-inch hole saw. I'm actually pretty excited to see how it turns out. Got everything ready, and we're finally back from Florida. And now I guess I'll get back to you later when I see how things are going. Well, that one actually pretty easy. I got the hole saw right here. It's actually 3 1/8 inch. I got it's the MK Morse 3 1/8 inch hole saw. It worked really good. It actually cut through really quickly. This probably took me 20 minutes total time, and this is inch thick. This is 1x4 flat bar, inch thick. There's the plug that came out of it. Filed down the edges on the inside. It's perfectly smooth. So now I'm gonna continue with the build. Alright, so I've got the holes for the valves done through right here's the exhaust port, 3/4 inch into here, and 5/8 inch out here. Intake goes in here, so it's a straight shoot in. Exhaust goes out here so that I don't have exhaust shooting out towards the carburetor. Got all the holes drilled and tapped. I was gonna do this one, and I spotted it, and then I realized I'm not gonna have enough room if I did do that, I wouldn't have enough room to mount the carburetor on here. I wouldn't be able to screw it into there. So I've still got to drill the holes for mounting the carburetor, and then the exhaust, I'm just gonna leave that for now. But yeah, I've got the holes tapped and everything turned out good. I'm gonna use this tool right here. I'm going to smooth out the valves, but that'll be a little later in the build. I've still got to weld the steel pipe onto there, but yeah, I'm gonna weld that. This will be up on top here like that, but then that'll be welded on there, and then I'll be good to continue building the engine. I'll have to get another plate for the bottom, but I'm getting actually fairly close. This was the hardest part done. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't do an update, but I was tapping the holes on this face right here to mount the spark plug with these, and snap the tap. Too small of a tap and a lot of steel. And so I ended up welding over top of it and just covering them up. I'm going to drill new ones side to side because I can't drill through those taps. New ones that are on the sides like this, and hopefully I'll be able to flatten this somehow without anything, because it's pretty bad. It's definitely not flat. If not, I'll bring it to the school. But yeah, that's what's happening currently. Well, I got the pipe welded on, and it's actually starting to look like an engine now. There's some low spots all around. It's gonna take probably close to another 30 minutes of sanding. This face I'll have to redo again, but it's actually starting to look like an engine now. It's a lot of sanding, but it's looking good. I'll have to re-go through some of these holes with the tap. And I still have to tap those ones. I'm going to buy a new tap, a good Irwin tap, and then I'm going to re-tap those. But I'm going to continue sanding this, and I guess I'll get back to you guys when I'm done sanding, for either in total or the night. But yeah. Alright, so here's the almost finished block. I hit this all with 60 grit sandpaper, which is pretty rough. It's still not perfectly smooth. The bolts are in there to make sure that I didn't mess up the threads when I welded. But other than that, I filled in the gap right here. As you can see, it's the low spot, so when I was going over it, it didn't get hit. It's low. There's a couple other low spots. I'll have to come back, and I think I'm gonna just see if the school has a belt sander and just hit the entire thing with a heavy grit sandpaper, make it all perfectly flat, and then come back through and work my way up to like a 220 grit. But for now, it actually is starting to look like an engine. Got this all cleaned up on the inside, just with an 80 grit flap disc. But yeah, everything's coming together nicely, except for the tap that's permanently in here somewhere. But yeah, other than that, everything's coming together nicely. Alrighty, I'm gonna hit this with that. It's now, I've got a flat piece of brass, other than the piece of wood, that wood not making it straight. but I've done some more welds to try to fill in the holes in the sides, and I'm pretty happy with how it is. And I used that to knock down some more of the welds. I added some more, and now I'm pretty happy at where it is. Mainly it's over here that I'm getting it. But I covered it all in blue, and now I'm gonna sand it and see how we're doing for flatness. So I'll be right back. Flat? What is flat? Alrighty, so I reapplied it, and now time to hit it again and see how I did. Okay, so I'm back in the house. It actually turned out pretty good. I missed here, up along this edge here, which that's fine. You can see the spots, so there's still some low spots here, right there, and then this is all just a tad bit low. Like the sandpaper would hit it, but just barely. But other than that, I've got, if there's new ones that showed up since I started hitting it more, and I'm not even going to try to weld those because I tried to knock them down again, and then there's more that show up. So those I'll just have to get a thicker head gasket, but yeah, that's how it's looking so far. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so I've got to get a video out, and this is just an update. I got some more pieces here. It says 4.5 inch versus the 4 inch up here. Same tubing. I got a plate for the bottom here. That'll be that plate for mounting. I forgot to get it last time. This is because first of all, there's a tap that I sunk in there. I keep getting the porosity in the welds here. I'm running out of material here, and my valve holes are too far this way, so I want them more like right here instead of over here. And I just want to get rid of the porosity, make sure it's flat. I got a fly cutter now, and I need to get a video out. It's been 2 months since my last update on this engine, and I need to get this video out. So I'm going to be uploading it here and continuing working on it. But yeah, I just wanted to get this video out. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and stay tuned for the next videos. Hopefully they'll come out faster than this one, because this one took a long time.